Alright, in this episode 8 of Let's Edit a Montage, you can see I got some Halo 2 footage, so I finally got the last bit of angles I needed. Now, again, down in the timeline, you can just skip to the timestamp of the new render if you just want to see the update of that. If not, this is the final VFX as I go through this. Now, I could have a phase at the end where I do some tweaking, which I'm sure I will, but this is the last big bit of me sitting down and doing tons of effects in After Effects. So try again with my style is usually keeping it clean but still having tasteful effects, so I don't want them overwhelming. I want the gameplay to stand on their own, but I still want effects to be there. And the next two sections will be color correction, which I'll do completely not time-lapsed. I'll literally just record myself doing it and talk about it as I do it. I'm sure that'll be a mess, but then after that will be my sound effects and all my audio mixing. So that'll be the last two episodes and it'll be done. Now when I finish this montage, I am just going to release it, so I'm sure it will release before the last few episodes of How to Make a Montage come out. You might have it out before the last one or two. That's fine, I'll premiere it and everything will be good, and I'm going to try to get this out pretty soon here. So I don't have a lot to say, there's just a ton of effects as I'm ripping through After Effects here. And again, skip down in the timeline to see where the render is. If not, enjoy the video. Thanks guys.
This is how we roll, man. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we roll, man. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we roll, man. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we roll, man. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we win, man. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we roll, man. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we roll. This is how we rock. This is how we win. This is how we roll, man. This is how we rock. This is how we